1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and Chico.
So I wanted to title this video, how to get to 4,000 watch hours to get monetized doing these YouTube videos. And what inspired me to do this was a few videos that I've just watched where this lady started her channel in the beginning of 2024. She's 58 years old and it got monetized within 10 months. And they show their earnings and everything that they did to get to that point. Another lady just uploaded a video and it's popping up all over as the algorithms are kicking in for this type of video. So this lady's video came up and she's just flabbergasted by how much money she's making off of these YouTubes, just talking about the struggles that she's going through with the economy and how to make money in this opportunity economy. So it inspired me to get up off my butt and come out here and talk about how to get to 4,000 watch hours quickly. And I can't tell you how to do it because I haven't got there. So this video is asking you, anybody that has had problems or trouble or just got stagnant with the watch hours. I'm stuck at about 2,000 watch hours. I have about 500 videos uploaded. I've been doing it for 5 years and I'm only halfway to the 4,000 hour mark. It's kind of disheartening. I just want to give up. But I won't, because I'm stubborn and I want to be able to make a passive income doing this, because it's not that it's easy. It's just once you make the video, it can become a source of revenue that you get passively. There is no real such thing as passive income. You have to do something in order to start that income flowing. So yeah, 5 years in now, 500,000 views, but only about 2,000 watch hours. And the maths don't seem right, but I guess the fine print is 4,000 watch hours within 365 days. So I guess my videos have been running but not accumulating enough watch hours within that 365. So I guess in 2024, the beginning of 2024, it reset. So, but yeah, if anybody out there is on their YouTube journey to getting monetized and they got stagnant but they beat the algorithm, go ahead and leave a comment on how you did it, and maybe leave a comment on how you think I can get more watch hours. Maybe it's suck less.